Human Nature Ceramide Skin Renewing Night Cream. Wake up to your dream skin with Ceramide Skin Renewing Night Cream packed with ceramides. Our night cream helps visibly renew your skin, restores skin barrier, and locks in moisture while you sleep. Human Nature Sunflower Oil, 100% natural, hypoallergenic. Fragrance-free, vegan, premium beauty oil, recommended for brightening and moisturizing all skin types. It has 25 miracles from head to toe. Human Nature Feminine Wash. Stay fresh, be confident. Experience long-lasting odor protection and comfort, 100% no harmful chemicals. Free from skin irritating, paraben-free, PG-free.